dockside in Majuro, and it certainly wasn't the weather that I booked for my tropical island Pacific getaway. It is absolutely pissing down, really cold too. But oh well, supposedly we're about to get a vaccine shot as well, or the ability to get it. The doctor's on his way, so maybe we can be getting off the ship next time we come to port. But I really don't like needles, but anyways, it's what we have to do nowadays.
I read a story about a coal fire. It burned for 80 miles underground, under rivers and across the state line, without a flame, without a sound. It burned a building and some fence posts. When it come up from the dirt into the sky, and when they interviewed the town folks, they said that hell was on the rise. Now I'm looking out the window while you are sleeping. I'm scared out of my mind, oh no. I feel that fire creeping. Everywhere I go, always burns down. Everyone I love is trying to figure me out. And everything I knew, I buried underground. Underground.
Located in the Pacific between Hawaii and the Philippines, this is the Marshall Islands. Majuro is its capital, and this is our anchorage where we offload our fish. Not far away is Bikini Atoll, a graveyard for World War II ships, which are now a popular dive site.
I saw a picture of a picture that reminded me of myself, like a coal fire burning underground. From up above it's hard to tell. And you said that I could stay here, open my chest for just you to see. All these acres of quiet fire that are burning down in me. Now I'm looking out the window while you are sleeping. I'm scared out of my mind, oh no. I feel that fire creeping. Everywhere I go, always burns down.
Close your eyes. trumpet, shake it loud, say my name, feel the flame, walk on clouds, brand new ground, no more pain.
Had a bit of an in-flight emergency during this trip. The tow rotor transmission chip light came on. This means that the little magnet inside the tow rotor transmission collected enough metal to bridge the gap in the circuit and set the light off. When we landed and the mechanic pulled out the chip plug, you can see the results there. All those little flakes are bits of metal. So pretty much that transmission was toast, grounded, and it wouldn't be the last time. Next time on Tuna Pirate. The hunt continues and we make another net set. Being grounded, a bit bored, so I decide to take a ride on the net boat out to Q's 102 when we pass by. And eventually our new tow rotor transmission turns up and I help the mechanic install. Don't forget to click subscribe so you never miss a future episode. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time on Tuna Pirate.